Chronic fatigue is a problem that can be associated with the failure of any of the major vital organs. So if the heart is not pumping hard enough, not getting the oxygen to the tissues, people can feel fatigue. If the lungs are not exchanging oxygen well enough, then there's not enough oxygen to go around. If the kidneys and the liver are not metabolizing toxins fast enough and well enough, then the accumulation of those toxins can lead to fatigue. However, in all of these situations, you would have quite obvious symptoms related to the organ that is failing. And there would usually be a lot of laboratory abnormalities that can be easily detected on routine blood tests. Chronic fatigue or post-viral fatigue syndromes are different in that there are no obvious organs that are failing that you can detect on examination or to see on laboratory evaluations. And so the issue becomes more difficult to diagnose and treat. As we do more and more research, we're realizing that most of these cases have to do with mitochondrial failure. Mitochondria are not organs in your body, they are little organelles that are present in every cell in your body. Depending on how energy intensive each cell in the organ is, they will have more mitochondria. So when these mitochondria fail, it is not necessarily that there's something wrong with the specific organelle, but what can be the problem is that instead of having 100 mitochondria in the cell, you may have only 75 or 50, and that is just not enough to create all the energy that the cell needs. Mitochondria are basically the batteries of our cells, and so one way of thinking about chronic fatigue or post-viral fatigue syndromes like long COVID is to think of the batteries running out. And exactly the manifestation that you get from batteries running out, say on your old cell phones, would be the same as what people feel. They can engage in some activities, but the activities cause rapid exhaustion, and then it takes a very long time for people to recover from that exhaustion. So the same thing, cell phones getting older, your batteries run out faster, and then it takes longer for you to charge them.